again an emoji keyboard. So this time I try to do the typing tabs of the keyboard that I have recently sold. So this is actually one of my first mechanical keyboard that I bought second hand. So I eventually sell it at the same price that I bought, since I think it cannot be sold more expensive, because I used to bought it from other sellers. It for cheap, because yeah, it's pretty old model from the keyboard, so it's not really searched by most people this day. They try to find mechanical keyboard. So this is just pretty rare, like the Topre or the HHKB, which has been increasingly since the last time I actually wanted to buy. So it has the Cherry MX blue switches. I'm using the keycaps, the SA profile from the Vortex, which is really fitted perfectly. So this is the last video for the Vortex poker with X5 SA profile keycaps, which is basically quite expensive, since it is pretty rare SA profile. So the Cherry MX Blue is basically as well, because it's a clicky and tactile switch, so most people don't really like it.